Now walk up and down all over. You know I can't get a pound of pussy for boy. Eh? Miss, you have no idea I can't get a pound of pussy for boy? That looks so nice, fresh pussy, like. You know? Alright, have a good day. Excuse me, miss. Good evening. You have any idea I can't get a pound of pussy for boy?
Yes.
Where?
Out of Bottom Road.
Bottom Road?
Yes.
You know the best location out there, like which part?
Right, something there, what do you call the place to the bar there? Margaritaville.
Yes, I can't get fresh pussy.
Yes, you can get white, black, pink, yellow, blue, any color you want.
Any color pussy?
Yes.
Alright, thank you very much, yeah?
Okay.
Have a good day. Tell me something. How I can get a pound of pussy for boy?
A pound of pussy?
Yeah.
Why? Don't tell me now. Right around that arcade there, so they sell shoes.
Goat pussy and then cow pussy.
Eh?
Donkey pussy and then pound of pussy.